Your turn at the bank counter comes, your heart jumps. You need English now, but your mind is empty.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Loud English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Today in this lesson, we are going to talk about everyday English phrases at the bank. Speak confidently in English. But before we get started, we have a small favor to ask our friends listening.
On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English. If you enjoy learning English with us, please click the like button and subscribe to the Loud English channel. It truly helps us a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you, really. It makes us so happy to know you're here.
And hey, you chose to learn English today instead of watching cat videos. I am proud of you.
I might still watch a cat video later, but after this lesson.
Okay, deal. Now, today we talk about the bank.
For many people, going to the bank in English is scary.
Yes, even many native speakers feel nervous at the bank sometimes.
So if you feel shy or afraid to make mistakes, it's normal.
This lesson is perfect English for beginners and also lower intermediate learners.
You will hear simple English phrases, real English conversation, and easy stories.
And later in this lesson, I want to show you one special sentence I use every time I feel confused at the bank.
Oh yes, that sentence is gold. If you know it, you can relax.
So stay with us. It's coming a little later.
All right, let's start from the beginning. You walk into the bank. What do you say first?
Most people just say hi or hello. Very simple.
Then you say what you want. The easy pattern is, I'd like to.
Listen, I'd like to. It means I want to, but more polite.
For example, hi, I'd like to open an account.
Or, hi, I'd like to deposit some money.
Or, hi, I'd like to withdraw some cash.
These are everyday English phrases at the bank.
Let's do a short conversation. I will be the bank worker first.
And I will be the customer. I love being the customer.
Of course you do. Ready?
Ready.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to open an account.
Sure. Do you have an ID with you?
Yes, here you go.
Perfect. Please have a seat and fill out this form.
Thank you.
That's it. Very short, very simple.
You can use this English conversation pattern in many situations at the bank.
Now we change the reason. Same start, different ending.
Okay, now I need to put money in the bank.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to deposit some money.
Sure. Into your checking or your savings account.
Into my checking account, please.
All right. Please sign here.
Done. Thank you.
You see, the conversation is almost the same. Only one part changes.
So let's look again at this key English phrase. I'd like to.
Repeat after me slowly. I'd like to.
I'd like to.
Now a little faster. I'd like to.
I'd like to.
Good. At normal speed, it sounds like I'd like to. The to becomes ta.
So in natural English conversation, you will hear, I'd like to open an account.
You don't need to speak super fast, just know that this sound is normal.
And if you are an English for Beginners learner, it's okay to say, I would like to more clearly.
Yes, both are correct, both are polite.
Now, there is another useful phrase when you are not sure.
Ooh, this is a good one.
You can say, I have a question about my account.
Nice. Let's do a mini story with that line.
Okay, imagine you open your banking app. You see a strange charge.
You go to the bank, You feel worried. You don't understand the money.
At the counter, you say, "Hi, I have a question about my account."
Then the worker will probably say, "Sure, what seems to be the problem?"
And you can answer, "I don't recognize this charge. Can you explain it, please?"
That phrase, "I don't recognize this charge," is a little higher level, but still okay.
If it feels hard, you can say, "I don't understand this payment. Can you explain?"
Yes, that is great English for beginners. Very clear.
Paul, can we give them a tiny secret now? Not the big one, but a small one.
A small secret, yes. The big secret sentence we keep for a bit later.
Okay, small secret. When you feel stressed, focus on the first sentence only.
Exactly. For example, just remember, "Hi, I'd like to open an account."
Or, "Hi, I have a question about my account."
If your first sentence is clear, the bank worker will help you step by step.
You don't need perfect grammar, you just need to start.
See, you can say these sentences too. You are doing great so far.
Now, let's look at some more everyday English phrases at the bank.
Many times, the worker will ask, "How can I help you today?"
This is a very common English phrase in banks and stores.
You can answer with, "I'd like to," or with, "I need to."
"I need to" is a bit stronger, but still okay.
For example, "I need to withdraw some cash."
Or, "I need to change my address."
Let's practice a small group of reasons you might go to the bank.
All right, I will say the bank reason. You make a clear sentence.
Okay, but I will also say the clear sentence, so no pressure.
Okay, reason 1, you want to put money into your account.
I'd like to deposit some money.
Reason 2, you want to take money out as cash.
I'd like to withdraw some cash.
Reason 3, you lost your bank card.
I lost my card. I need a new one, please.
Reason 4, you changed your phone number.
I'd like to update my phone number.
Reason 5, you want to open a savings account.
I'd like to open a savings account.
Nice. These are very simple English phrases, but very powerful.
If you remember these, your English conversation at the bank will be much easier.
Now, many people worry about the questions the bank worker asks.
Yes, they think, what if I don't understand the question? Here comes our big secret sentence soon, but first, let's see some common questions.
Haha, we are still keeping the secret. You have to stay with us.
We are so mean, but we promise it will really help you.
Okay, common worker questions. One is, do you have an ID? ID means your identification card, like your passport or driver's license.
You can answer, "Yes, here you go," and give your ID.
Or, "Yes, just a moment." Then you look in your bag.
Another question. What type of account would you like to open?
You can say, "A checking account, please," or "A savings account, please."
Checking is usually for everyday money, your card, your bills.
Savings is usually for money you keep for later.
The worker may also ask, "What is your current address?"
Answer slowly and clearly. For example, my address is 25 Green Street, apartment 4.
If this is hard, you can write it down and show it.
Also, you may hear, "What is your date of birth?"
That means your birthday. For example, June 3rd, 1995.
Now, here comes the moment many learners fear.
The worker speaks fast. You don't understand. Your brain stops.
This is where our special secret sentence helps.
Yes, this sentence is simple, but very strong.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
You say, "Could you please say that again more slowly?"
That's it. Short, polite, and so helpful.
Let's repeat it slowly together. Could you please say that again more slowly?
Could you please say that again more slowly?
Now, a bit faster. Could you please say that again more slowly?
Could you please say that again more slowly?
If that feels long, you can also say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
Yes, that one is shorter. Could you repeat that, please?
These are magic English phrases. You can use them anywhere, not only at the bank.
Every time you use them, you control the speed of the conversation.
See? You have power. English conversation does not control you. You control it.
You are doing really well. Every time you listen, your English gets stronger. Now, I want to add one more useful sentence, like a little surprise gift.
Oh, another surprise?
Yes. When you really don't understand, you can say, "Could you please write it down?"
That is so helpful at the bank because they can write numbers, names, or fees.
Okay, repeat after me. Could you please write it down?
Could you please write it down?
Great. You can use this in any English for Beginners situation.
Now, let's do a full mini conversation using both secret sentences.
You be the bank worker this time. I will be the confused customer.
Perfect. Here we go.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to open an account.
Sure. Do you have your proof of address with you today?
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Do you have your proof of address with you today?
Could you please say that again more slowly?
Do you have your proof of address with you today?
I'm not sure what that means. Could you please write it down?
Of course. I'll write it here. Proof of address is a bill or a letter that shows where you live.
Ah, okay. I have a phone bill. Is that okay?
Yes, that works. Thank you.
See, I was confused, but I didn't die. I just used my sentences.
Yes, you were fine. And you were polite too.
Friends listening, you can do this as well.
Now, let's move to another common bank situation. Taking money out.
This is called withdrawing money. That's a long word. Withdraw.
But you usually don't need the word withdraw. You can just say, take out money or get cash.
For example, I'd like to take out $200.
Or, can I get $100 in cash, please?
Let's practice some numbers with this English conversation pattern.
Okay, repeat after me. I'd like to take out $50.
I'd like to take out $50.
I'd like to take out $200.
I'd like to take out $200.
I'd like to take out $1,000.
I'd like to take out $1,000.
Good. Now with get cash. Can I get $40 in cash, please?
Can I get $40 in cash, please?
Can I get $300 in cash, please?
Can I get $300 in cash, please?
Nice work.
Sometimes the worker will ask, "How would you like that?"
They mean, what bills do you want? For example, 20s or 10s.
You can answer, "In 20s, please," or "In small bills, please."
Small bills means small notes, like 5 or 10.
So, full sentence, Can I get $200 in cash in 20s, please?
That sounds so natural.
It does. And if you make a mistake, it is still okay. The worker will usually understand.
Now, another big part of everyday English phrases at the bank is about fees.
Yes, nobody likes fees.
Nobody. Not even bank workers, I think.
You can ask, is there a fee for this account?
Or, are there any monthly fees?
Monthly means every month.
You can also say, how much is the fee for this card?
Let's do a quick little quiz between us about fees.
Okay, I'm ready.
Sentence 1. Is there a fee for international transfers? This question asks about sending money to another country.
Right. Sentence 2. Are there any fees if I use another bank's ATM? This asks about using a different bank's machine.
Sentence 3. How much is the monthly fee for this account? This asks how much you pay every month.
These are great English phrases to protect your money.
You work hard for your money. You need to understand the bank rules.
And even if your English is simple, you can still ask these things.
Every time you ask a question, you get stronger and more confident.
Now, Emily, I want to promise another small secret for later.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
Many learners make one common mistake when they say, I want, at the bank. Later, I will show you a softer, more natural way.
Nice. So stay with us to hear this polite I want trick.
Before that, let's talk about problems with cards or accounts.
Yes, real life is not always smooth. Sometimes your card does not work.
Imagine this. You try to pay in a store. Your card is declined.
You feel embarrassed. Then you go to the bank to ask why.
At the counter, you can say, Hi, I think there is a problem with my card.
Or, my card was declined. Can you check my account, please?
Declined means the bank did not allow the payment.
The worker may ask, do you know the amount of the transaction?
That question can be hard, but don't worry.
You can answer, I don't remember, but it was at the supermarket yesterday.
Or you can say, I don't know the exact amount, but it was around $50.
If these words are too long, it's okay. You can use short ones.
For example, I paid yesterday at the supermarket. It did not work.
Yes, very simple, still clear.
Now, what about a lost card?
Important topic. Listen carefully.
At the bank, say, Hi, I lost my card.
Then add, can you block it, please? Or can you cancel it, please?
Block means stop it from working. Cancel is similar here.
Then you can say, I need a new card. Or, can I get a new card, please?
Let's repeat these sentences as practice.
Repeat after me, slowly. I lost my card.
I lost my card.
Can you block it, please?
Can you block it, please?
I need a new card.
I need a new card.
Nice. These are simple, but they can protect your money.
You are doing so well. Really, I am impressed.
Now, let's take a small break and do a listening practice.
I will say 3 short conversations. After each one, I will tell you the main phrase you can remember.
Okay, let's go.
Conversation 1. Worker. Good morning. How can I help you today? Customer. Hi, I'd like to open a checking account.
Main phrase. I'd like to open a checking account.
Conversation 2. Worker. Hello, what can I do for you? Customer. Hi, I'd like to deposit some money into my savings account.
Main phrase. I'd like to deposit some money into my savings account.
Conversation 3. Worker. Hi, how can I help? Customer. Hi, I lost my card. Can you block it, please?
Main phrase. I lost my card. Can you block it, please?
These key phrases are like tools in your pocket.
Yes, the more tools you have, the easier life becomes.
By the way, we talked about a common mistake with I want, remember?
Yes, the secret polite way. I think it's time now.
All right. Many learners say, I want to open an account.
This is not wrong, but it can sound a bit strong.
In English conversation at the bank, we usually say, I'd like to open an account.
So the small trick is use I'd like to instead of I want to.
It's softer, more polite, and sounds very natural.
Same meaning, but better feeling.
Let's compare. Repeat after me. I want to open an account.
I want to open an account.
Now, I'd like to open an account.
I'd like to open an account.
Can you feel the difference? The second one is softer.
This is a big upgrade for your English, but it's still simple.
See? You can sound polite and confident at the same time.
You are doing so well so far. Really, I am impressed.
Now, let's take a small break and do a listening practice.
I will say 3 short conversations. After each one, I will tell you the main phrase you can remember.
Okay, let's go. Conversation 1. Worker. Good morning. How can I help you today? Customer. Hi, I'd like to open a checking account.
Main phrase. I'd like to open a checking account.
Conversation 2. Worker. Hello, what can I do for you? Customer. Hi, I'd like to deposit some money into my savings account.
Main phrase. I'd like to deposit some money into my savings account.
Conversation 3. Worker. Hi, how can I help? Customer. Hi, I lost my card. Can you block it, please?
Main phrase. I lost my card. Can you block it, please?
These key phrases are like tools in your pocket.
Yes, the more tools you have, the easier life becomes.
By the way, we talked about a common mistake with I want, remember?
Yes, the secret polite way. I think it's time now.
All right. Many learners say, I want to open an account.
This is not wrong, but it can sound a bit strong.
In English conversation at the bank, we usually say, I'd like to open an account.
So the small trick is use I'd like to instead of I want to.
It's softer, more polite, and sounds very natural.
Same meaning, but better feeling.
Let's compare. Repeat after me. I want to open an account.
I want to open an account.
Now, I'd like to open an account.
I'd like to open an account.
Can you feel the difference? The second one is softer.
This is a big upgrade for your English, but it's still simple.
See, you can sound polite and confident at the same time.
You are doing so well so far. Really, I am impressed.
Now, sometimes at the bank, people offer you extra things.
Yes, like an extra card, insurance, or some special product.
Maybe you don't want it, but how can you say no politely in English?
Oh, this is my favorite part.
You love saying no, Emily?
Haha, sometimes. Here is a good phrase. No, thank you. I'm not interested.
Another one. No, thank you. Maybe another time.
Or, I'd like to think about it first.
This is very useful when they offer a credit card and you are not sure.
Let's do a mini story.
Okay, I will be the bank worker again.
And I will be the customer who likes to say no politely.
Good.
Good afternoon. We also have a gold card with rewards. Would you like to apply?
Thank you, but no, thank you. I'm not interested.
Are you sure? You can get points for travel.
It sounds nice, but I'd like to think about it first.
All right, no problem. If you change your mind, just let us know.
See, I said no, but I stayed friendly.
These are great English phrases not just for banks, but for life.
And when you say no politely, you feel more in control.
You are learning not only English, but also confidence.
Now let's do some clear pronunciation practice with our main bank phrases.
We'll do a slow version and then a normal version.
Repeat after me. Hi, I'd like to open an account. Slow.
Hi, I'd like to open an account.
Normal speed. Hi, I'd like to open an account.
Hi, I'd like to open an account.
Next one. Slow. I'd like to deposit some money.
I'd like to deposit some money.
Normal. I'd like to deposit some money.
I'd like to deposit some money.
Slow. I'd like to withdraw some cash.
I'd like to withdraw some cash.
Normal. I'd like to withdraw some cash.
I'd like to withdraw some cash.
Slow. I have a question about my account.
I have a question about my account.
Normal. I have a question about my account.
I have a question about my account.
Great. Last one. Slow. Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Normal. Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Nice job. Your English conversation will sound more natural with these sounds.
And remember, you don't need to speak fast. Clear and calm is enough.
Now, I want to share one more little surprise.
Another one. You are full of surprises today.
This one is about time. Sometimes you go to the bank, but the line is long.
You don't have time to wait. You need to leave.
You can say, "Sorry, I have to go now. I'll come back later."
Or, I don't have time to wait today. Can I make an appointment?
Appointment means a planned time.
The worker may say, Sure. What day and time work for you?
Then you can say, tomorrow morning, or Friday at 3 p.m.
Having these small English phrases makes you feel more free.
Yes, you are not stuck. You can control your time and your day.
Every small phrase you learn is like a tiny key.
A tiny key that opens a new door.
Beautiful. Now I want to do one more practice section.
All right, let's do a role play with different bank situations.
We will change who we are each time, and we will use many of today's phrases.
First situation, opening a new account. I'm the worker, you are the customer.
Okay.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to open a savings account.
Sure. Do you have your ID and proof of address?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Please have a seat and fill out this form.
Okay, thank you.
Great. Second situation, card problem. You are the worker now.
Got it. Hi, I think there is a problem with my card.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
My card was declined yesterday at the supermarket.
Do you know the amount of the payment?
I don't remember the exact amount, but it was around $30.
Okay, I'll check your account. Could you please wait a moment?
Sure, thank you.
Nice. Third situation, asking about fees.
This time, I will be the worker again.
Hi, I'd like to open a checking account.
Of course. Is this just for you or a joint account?
Just for me. Are there any monthly fees?
There is a small monthly fee, $5.
How much is the fee for this card?
There is no extra fee for the card.
Okay, great. I'd like to open this account.
Wonderful. Please sign here.
Thank you.
These little role plays are good for your brain.
Yes, your brain learns patterns, not just single words.
You can listen to conversations like this many times to learn English more deeply.
And each time, you will notice a new small phrase.
By the way, there is one more common mistake at the bank, and I want to fix it now.
Ah, yes. You told me about this earlier.
Many learners say, "Give me," at the bank. For example, "Give me $200."
Yes, that sounds a bit rude.
A better way is, "Can I get $200, please?"
Or, could I have $200, please?
These sentences are more polite. They are also great everyday English phrases.
Let's practice the change.
I will say the strong sentence. You say the softer one.
Okay.
Give me $100.
Can I get $100, please?
Give me my new card.
Could I have my new card, please?
Give me your form.
Could you give me your form, please?
Great. You see how the feeling changes.
You sound more friendly, more professional.
You can do this in any English conversation, not just at the bank.
You are building very strong habits now.
And you should feel proud of yourself.
All right, before we finish, let's do a short review through one final long conversation.
This will put many of today's phrases together like a little movie.
I'll be the worker, you be the customer again.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to open a checking account.
Sure. Do you have your ID and proof of address with you?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Please have a seat and fill out this form.
Okay, thank you.
Great. Is there any other service you're interested in, like a credit card?
No, thank you. I'm not interested right now.
No problem. Is there a fee for this account?
Actually, I wanted to ask you that. Are there any monthly fees?
There is a small monthly fee, $5.
How much is the fee for this card?
There is no extra fee for the card.
Okay, great. I'd like to open this account.
Wonderful. Please sign here.
Okay. By the way, I also lost my old card yesterday.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Can you block it, please? I don't want anyone to use it.
Of course. I'll block it now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else today?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
See? That conversation sounded very natural, and most sentences were simple.
You understand a lot now. You can handle many bank situations in English.
Every time you hear and repeat these English phrases, your brain gets more comfortable.
Soon you will not think so much. The words will just come.
And remember, you don't need perfect grammar, you just need courage to speak.
Small steps create big changes. Today's small step is one full lesson about the bank.
Let's take a look at the topics we've discussed so far. We talked about greeting the bank worker and saying what you need, using I'd like to and I need to, asking questions about your account, dealing with card problems and lost cards, asking about fees, saying no politely, using soft forms like can I get instead of give me, and powerful help phrases like could you repeat that please and could you please write it down as everyday English phrases at the bank.
That is a lot, and you stayed with us the whole time.
You should feel really proud. Many people stop when English feels hard, but you continued.
Every time you practice like this, you are building real confidence.
Next time you go to the bank, remember just one or two key sentences.
For example, "Hi, I'd like to open an account." Or, "I have a question about my account."
And if you don't understand, use your magic lines, could you repeat that please? Or could you please say that again more slowly?
You are not alone. Many people around the world are learning English for beginners just like you.
We are really happy to learn with you and to cheer for you.
If this video helped you, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more lessons to learn English with real everyday situations.
And if you want more practice with English conversation, check out our other lessons after this one. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss new videos, and write your own short bank sentence in the comments.
Keep practicing and stay confident.
See you in the next lesson.